HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially looking at HIMS and hers health stock, it's in a beautiful correction in which I'm excited, you know, looking to take buys, but am I gonna do so? Well, I'll keep you updated now. And as the only guy in this space with 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. What happened was I'm still in this pending higher time frame buy, right, which is still sitting here, and this is what I called it out, right? This is right here in March, 31st of March. That delivered like a beauty. It's still delivering. Then I had a break even, a lower time frame buy, and then here I've been just looking to position myself in a way where, you know, I can just pull the trigger and buy more. But if there is not a double break, I'm not going to be buying, you know, and a lot of people are overcomplicating this, which does not have to be. With HIMS, I've also got about 60 results here as well. So that's how HIMS is looking like. If rules are not met or anything, I'm not buying. And I'm very excited about this because 6166 is higher than 5104. Pre-market is a bit higher. Yeah, good times ahead, I guess. See you in the next one. If you want free sauce, click the first link below.